Gone and come braff.
Come son, go on now. This braff is wicked. Man, last day in Vincy.
Yes.
Last day in Vincy.
Last day.
Yo, guys.
Like a breakfast, like a day. We
are with Kongson and Bana, braff, yeah, so some dumpling and greens and stuff. Come on, man. Yeah, we done cook a yard already, so that is it. Gone and come braff. We have a little campfire for sip. Come on, man. Let's go and chill by river probably for half an hour to an hour and then we roll. Because Virgin have to take a flight one time.
You don't want to get stuck up in the airport again. Or go buy another plane ticket again.
You guys. Tell me about it. You know what this is, Joe?
Skin it up.
What is it?
Put it in. Boy. Fuck it up. Good. Right.
Look at my bro.
This 8 that means in there.
So you are 4?
4 and 4.
Where's your?
That is it, boy.
Got that. Kongson guana.
Kongson guana dumpling.
Right.
Mash this, you know. Last.
People that brought a shot. Guana and Kongs braff, we call this. Soft and tough boil up. Soft and tough boil up. Bad braff, not tell people. This braff is wicked. Hey, I gotta try this. Guana and Kongs braff. Yeah, this is bad. Not in the light. I bad this braff never eat. No, for real, this is bad. Guana and Kongs? Me never hear nobody do this. Serious thing, man, create history in Vincy. Guana and Kongs soup. Braff or whatever I call it. But yeah, man guy in the water for he lasts for this chip to catch until the next chip again. They'll get him around like an English sprung boy. Please don't good. Alright. Hit the water after. Hit the water then. Alright, people, I can take a little soap.
and then hit the road car. You have to reach airport in a time. So it's a quick vibes. Yes, Bajan. Woo! Wow, that's chilly though. The guy just tapping me just too. Big up everybody notice, but tattoo artist same way. Man, but
Manners and respect.
come on. Yeah! Rastafari! Why?
Move like a coward now.
Why?
Yeah.
Come on. Man, I bearded bush. What call the bush? Fern. You should write this one. Write this one. Man, I bearded. Say it good for bearded a river. I'm going to try it one of these days. Not today. With the fern. Man, I beard with the fern. Yeah. Yeah, some people that cook up there.
Oh my.
Yo, Vaz.
That one for you, bro.
Yo,
That one for
Vaz.
you.
Yeah.
Oh my. Oh my.
Yeah. Yeah, the water kind of low today though. Normally water rush off. I chop up this up there. Normally. Yeah. A nice little bath. Come on, man. That's the shot. Is it done? Time to go, brother. Time to go. Time to go. You had enough? You enjoy yourself?
Anybody that wants to see Vincy or travel Vincy that just watch this YouTube channel,
Come on.
pray Vincy. Boost this channel.
Of course.
Great content, great place. Respect and manners all the time.
Come on. Up, big brother. Up. Time for roll that stuff. Gotta catch the airport. Yeah, people, I don't know. One love. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Up the thing. See? Bless them.